Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon'.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a little car mukbang and talk to y'all guys. And before we get started, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and get us a thumbs up, and go ahead and comment down below and tell me what y'all think. All right, now the food kind of a little hot, so we're gonna get right into it. Let me scoot myself right on back. Hey, okay. Let me stop playing. So what I got, I went to this place in this town called Napoleon. It's this French. It's this French. It's this Italian place. So for people that don't know me, I'm sure all of y'all. Hi, my name is Taji, and I love fettuccine. Okay, I always love fettuccine. Always love pasta. It's my thing. So we're gonna say our blessings, and we're gonna pray that these kids let me eat it. Okay, because if not, y'all don't understand how upset I am going to be. Y'all don't understand how upset. So let me show y'all what I got. So see what y'all got. So I got some regular Alfredo. I got some broccoli, and it got some mushrooms in it. So good. And I got this little bread that go with it. This little bread. It is so good, y'all. So good. So good, so good, so good. I'm hungry. And of course, I know, okay, look, don't tell nobody. I know I'm telling the whole world, but shh, keep this a secret. I'm drinking me some root beer. I ain't supposed to be drinking it, but I'm craving it, so shh, keep it a secret, y'all. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody, okay? But I'm craving it. So when I'm craving something, I gotta have it. And I've been craving root beer for the last couple of days. I've been craving this junk for the last couple of days. I don't know, it's something about this root beer. It's something about it. It's good, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, if I keep looking away. But yeah. So how y'all day was? How y'all day was? Comment down below and tell me how y'all day was. My day in the beginning was horrible. So I'm gonna tell y'all my story of why it was horrible. But let me go ahead and bite this real quick. Let me tell y'all why I love coming here, okay? Because they make my food fresh every time. Every time. Uh-oh. They make my food fresh every time, okay? When I say I love me some hot food, I love me some hot food. Yeah, and it's been raining all day. All day. All freaking day. I'm so tired of this rain. It needs to go away. Because down here in Texas, it don't rain and get cold. It rain and get humidity. Humidity. It rain and get humid. So sticky. It got you feeling nasty. I just want it to be over with. Over with. So y'all, I went to go get my nails done today. I went to go get my nails done today. I don't like them. I don't like the color I chose, but something different. Okay, so let me tell y'all why I had a bad morning. So I went to work, got there. I go to work from 8 to 4 in the morning to 4. So yesterday I was craving some cotton candy grapes. If y'all never tried cotton candy grapes, go try them right now. Go to Walmart or Kroger's and go get y'all, or wherever y'all have cotton candy grapes, and go get it. Because them junks right there is good. So yesterday I got off work, you know, feeling good. I was a little tired, but I was feeling good. And I was craving some cotton candy grapes. I was like, oh, I want some grapes. Now, I don't eat regular green grapes, and I don't eat red grapes. I'm sorry, purple grapes. I don't eat none of them grapes because they just taste sour to me. Now that I'm pregnant, they just taste sour to me. So I only like cotton candy grapes. So I eat the grapes, you know, watching TV, doing my normal thing. And then all of a sudden, I start feeling sick. Oh, that junk hot. I start feeling sick, and I'm like, y'all, please don't do this to me. Please. Please let me eat in peace. So I started getting heartburn. Real bad heartburn. Like, I felt like my chest was on fire. Fire. And then when I get heartburn, my mouth get watery. It's just, I feel like I can't, it get watery because you know, TMI, you don't want to hear it, sorry. The saliva all gets stuck in my mouth because it's hard for me to, you know, swallow. So, I got, like I told y'all in one of the previous videos, I got some medicine for it. So as soon as I started feeling like that, I took my medicine. Man, y'all, it took forever. It took forever for that medicine to kick in. I felt like I was dying. Do y'all hear me? Stomach was turning. And if y'all have been pregnant and never threw up, I'm the type of person, I've been pregnant for this long and only threw up one time. One time. And I can't tell you why I threw up. I threw up one time eating me some Chick-fil-A, and I ain't ate Chick-fil-A since. I threw that Chick-fil-A up, and since then, won't catch me at Chick-fil-A. Oh, sorry, y'all. So, when I don't feel like I got to throw up, I have the urge to throw up. Like, ooh, that root beer, y'all. Y'all understand what soda do to me. I be craving soda so bad. And I be looking at other people like, dang, I want that so bad. I'm like, ooh, I want some soda, I want some soda. But I gotta tell myself every day, Todd, you can't have that much soda. Drink water. I drink soda every now and then. For sure. That junk right there is good. So back to my store. So I started feeling queasy. Like I had the trash can on my face because I felt like I was about to throw up. My stomach was turning. I was having heartburn. I'm like, I started feeling like real bad. So I forced myself to go to sleep. I forced myself to go to sleep. Man, this morning, I wasn't feeling good. This morning, I was not feeling good. I was feeling like I had to puke. And I can't take my nauseous medicine because my nauseous medicine make me sleepy. I can't take it while I'm at work. Look at this, y'all. I'm sorry, I didn't even give y'all none. How rude of me. Y'all want some? Here. Take a bite. Okay. I will too. Period. Period, poo. Okay. So this morning I was feeling like sicky. And like at my call center that I work with, we have to get scanned down. Security have to scan us. So he always be asking me, sometimes he asks me, y'all all right? You okay? And I'm like, man, I don't feel good today. So I wasn't feeling good. Man, them grapes did something to me. I be so mad because I be wanting stuff so bad. Have y'all ever been pregnant and want something so bad, and when y'all finally go get it, there go that heartburn? And like with these babies, they don't like fruit. Every time I eat fruit, I get heartburn, but they like them little yogurt in the cups. I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Excuse me. So them little yogurt in the cups, they'll let me eat them. Look at this, y'all. So good. They'll let me eat the yogurt in the cups, but as far as regular fruit, I can cancel that out. I need to give me a blender. See, sometimes I try to trick them. Sometimes I try to trick them. I eat something like right behind it to try to trick them. I'm getting full, y'all. I don't eat a lot. I don't eat a lot at all. But I had to come get me some pasta. Because I love pasta. I love it. So if y'all got one of these places, damn, it ain't even got the it ain't even got the damn place logo on the cup. I tell you, if y'all got Napoli's or a good ooh, y'all, I'm tired. Or a good Italian place where y'all stay, go hit it up. Cause I love pasta. I gotta take a break. And that's one thing about this pregnant, well, me. That's one thing about me too. Now, before I got pregnant, I was on a diet, and I wasn't really eating a lot. I was eating like little portions at a time. I was doing fasting, so I wasn't really eating in. So now, it's hard for me to, because my body is so used to me eating so little. Now I'm trying to like stuff myself, so you know they can be good and they won't be kicking me and flipping and doing all this extra stuff. So I be trying to overeat, and with me eating, I gotta pace myself. I gotta pace myself because I get full real fast. So that's why I'm running my mouth, trying to pace myself. And the crazy thing is, I ain't gaining no weight. Not now. Now. Before I got pregnant, I was 206. Y'all, I feel like I got some of my glasses. And it's irritating me. Okay. Sorry. Before I got pregnant, I was 206, y'all. I jumped from 206, then I went down to 204, I went down to 200, and then I went down to 194. Last 2 weeks, I went to the hospital. I mean, the emergency room, I was 204. My boyfriend be telling them it don't matter what she eat, she don't never gain a lot of weight. I'm trying. Hell, I'm trying. I need to at least gain a little bit of weight because I got this. Well, it's not small. Well, it's small to me because this is the smallest I have ever been. So I got this big. Sorry for y'all, for these people behind me. I'm in their parking lot. Y'all understand how tired I am. And full, okay? I'm getting full. So I'm about to stop it. Stop eating. So this is the smallest I have ever been, 194. So I'm sure I'm still 194. I'm sure that 204 is gone. The 204 is gone. So 194. Y'all, I ate, but I ain't eat that much. See, I told y'all I don't eat a lot. That shit is good. Good, okay, period. It is good. Good. Okay, y'all. I don't eat a lot. So this is the smallest I have ever been. So I got a big old belly with this small frame. And I feel like I'm just going. Sometimes it's hard for me to walk sometimes. Like at work, I be scrunched over, holding my stomach. Cause I ain't nothing but stomach. I ain't nothing but stomach. My face done got small. I ain't nothing but stomach. Nothing but stomach. Y'all, I'm full. That's it. I'm done good. I'm proud of myself. Okay. I done good. Yeah, I be trying to eat until I can't eat no more, and I can't eat no more. I can't eat no more. And I guess because I can't eat really a lot because I have 3 kids in there. And it's taking up room. I don't know. I'm just saying some stuff. I don't know what the reason is, but I can't eat. I thought the reason was I can't eat a lot because I got heartburn. I got real bad heartburn. I got medicine for that. I still can't eat a lot. I still get full fast. And he don't like, he hate when he go give me something. Like if he go give me something to eat, he hate when I don't eat all my food. He was like, making me spend all this money. You don't eat all your food. Or I asked him, do you want some? Do you want the rest of it? He was like, here, put it over here. Making me spend this money. You don't eat all your food. Hell, I can't. What you want me to do? I can't. Y'all, I'm trying. I'm trying to gain weight. I eat eggs, oatmeal. I eat everything to make me gain weight. And I ain't doing nothing but stomach growing. Ain't nothing but my stomach growing, y'all. My boss just talked to my brother. I showed him my stomach. He was like, dang. He told me, it feel like soon as you find, it feel like soon as you find out you having triplets, your stomach blew up. I said, I know. He told me, you're gonna be wobbling soon. I said, I'm already wobbling. Can't get out of bed. Have a hard time getting out of bed. Gotta make sure I'm turned a certain position to get my big behind out the bed. I need a rope. Just give me a rope so I can pull it and slide out of bed. I need some, y'all. Well, that's it for this video, y'all. So y'all go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, period. So y'all can see every video that I post. And don't forget to put y'all notifications on. Subscribe, like, comment. So comment down below. You know, I like talking, like running my mouth. So comment down below so I can talk to y'all. Comment down below so I can talk to y'all, okay? So y'all have a blessed day. Stay positive. You know, don't let nobody mess up your day. And eat some good food, y'all. I just ate some good food. Now it's time for me to go to sleep. Period. I'm about to be knocked out, mouth cocked open. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.